Hi guys, I'm going to do another one of my Rubik's Cube sessions where I just do repetitive turns. What I'm going to do this time, I'm going to turn the middle once away from me, which is the same as turning left towards me. Talking about, and then I'm going to turn the right one 2 turns. We'll start off so we're red, white, blue, and as I say, I'll do it this way because it's easier for me to film, but it's actually left and right 2. Left 1, right 2 is the sequence I'm doing. But I'll keep turning the whole cube rather than doing left, right, back. Does that make any sense? Just do it, eh? 1, 1, 2. That's what I'm doing. Turn it that way. 1, 1, 2. Turn it that way. 1, 1, 2. And I'll keep going till we get back to where we started. Done. Slightly less than 10 minutes if you take off the time for waffling at the beginning. What I was trying to explain was when you look at YouTube videos or look it up online, you have a common notation where you turn right, left, top, bottom, front or back. None of that common notation says turn the middle bit, because turning the middle bit is the same as turning the right one way and the left the other way. So they don't say turn middle. So that's why I was waffling at the beginning. Anyway, there we are. No idea how many turns that was, but we did middle 1, right 2, lots of times, and came back to the finished article. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.